Many believe digital oscilloscopes are complex and hard to use, but is advanced signal analysis really out of reach? As a professional electronics engineer, I test equipment daily. Reliable, efficient measurement tools are essential for accurate results. Traditional oscilloscopes often lack flexibility and modern connectivity. They can slow down workflow and complicate data export. That's where the FNIRSI 1014D Digital Oscilloscope stands out. This two-in-one device offers dual-channel input and signal generation. It delivers a robust 100 MHz bandwidth on both channels. Enjoy a high-speed 1 GSA sampling rate for precise waveform capture. The 7-inch HD color display presents waveforms with clarity. Multi-channel input supports complex signal comparison and analysis. A built-in USB interface streamlines data export to PC or mobile. Screen captures and waveform images are easily shared for collaboration. The Advanced Wave Image Manager simplifies waveform data management. Efficiently organize, review, and analyze save signals anytime. Industry-first capture output function enables direct signal output. Adjust frequency from 1 Hz to 1 MHz with 1 Hz precision. Perfect for advanced testing and secondary analysis scenarios. Comprehensive measurement functions support FFT, cursor, and auto modes. One-button automatic adjustment ensures fast, accurate signal detection. Adaptive trigger levels simplify complex waveform analysis. High-voltage protection supports up to 400 V input for safety. Built-in DES signal generator offers 14 standard waveforms. Customize output frequency and amplitude for flexible testing. 1 GB internal storage saves up to 1,000 screenshots or waveforms. Manual cursor measurement enables precise frequency and amplitude readings. Lysojuice display visualizes phase and frequency differences clearly. High-intelligence decoding ensures stable, accurate signal analysis. Durable encoder design guarantees long-term, reliable operation. Intuitive control panel makes navigation simple for all users. Auto anti-burn protection extends instrument lifespan and safety. Versatile probe compatibility supports a wide range of applications. Ideal for electronics testing, troubleshooting, and research. Engineers, technicians, educators, and labs benefit from its features. Let's see it in action with a real circuit analysis demo. Dual channels capture and compare amplifier and power supply signals. FFT mode reveals hidden frequency components for deeper insights. Instant screen capture documents results for reporting and review. Waveform export to PC allows for advanced secondary analysis. In summary, FNIRSI 1014D transforms professional electronics testing. Get yours now on AliExpress. Enjoy free shipping and easy returns. Upgrade your lab with reliable, modern measurement technology today.